Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is another pop-up window that is malicious because it forces you to install a fake security software. The pop-up comes from this website, maccleaner.space. maccleaner.space. And the problem with this pop-up is that it is multiply produced because of adware running in your Mac computer. So, when the adware is active, you will see plenty of such unwanted redirections coming to your browser from the website maccleaner.space, and possibly they will redirect it to some other dangerous websites. You should not trust these alerts and stay away from installing this Mac Cleaner. The alerts that are produced are full of fake information. They say that your Mac OS X memory is not sufficient and that you should install this software supposedly to increase the memory or to relieve some part of the memory. But anyway, clicking on this install button leads you to the installation of potentially unwanted software. It will be called Clean Up My Mac or some other program depending on your local settings. I recommend you to be very careful not to trust these alerts. Instead, you should investigate your Mac, go to the applications and try to find some programs that are suspicious, because if you see such pop-ups randomly in your screen, then the chances are that your Mac is indeed damaged by some adware. So you should locate this adware and get rid of it. Unfortunately, some adware may be hidden deep in your computer and you will not be able to identify it clearly. If this is true, then you are strongly advised to scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner software, combocleaner.com. This is the website from which you may download Combo Cleaner program, and it's an antivirus for Mac. It will help you to protect your Mac. First of all, it will be functioning as a cleaner. So it will identify threats that may be still available in your Mac, and we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install it, and after you do that, launch Combo Cleaner. Wait until its antivirus databases are properly updated, which is of crucial importance, and then just click on Start Combo Scan button. This Start Combo Scan button is a universal one because it allows you to perform all these scan types all together within just one button click. So click on Start Combo Scan button, wait until the program performs its scanning and analysis of your Mac, and at the end of scan you will see the reports about some threats possibly found. Do not terminate this scan because it's important that it is completed and all other traces of malware are detected in your Mac. And if the video was helpful to you, please like, please share it, and thank you for your attention. Thanks for watching. Bye.